Okay, so this is our presentation, and it's on enterprise holdings. So an introduction, we're going to be talking about what form of business it is, the type of business, where they're located, and kind of how they run the goods they offer or services, and kind of the scope of the business and the revenue, and then some inputs and potential risks they may face.
So the type of business enterprise is, it's a private company, and with all the locations they've been able to make across the United States and globally, they would be considered a corporation. And
Enterprise's main headquarter is in St. Louis, Missouri, but they have 8,600 locations worldwide. 6,000 of those are in the U.S. And what they do is they're a car and truck rental company, and they take up the most of the market share at 33%, and they also make up 7% of all new car sales each year in the U.S.
Alright, so obviously they don't make anything. They're a service-based company. They provide rental cars to people who need them. So like if your car breaks down or something, you need one, or you go on vacation and you want to rent a car, you can go with them. And they have locations globally, and they're most commonly found in North America, Europe, and Asia. And you can most commonly find one in an airport or like in neighborhoods. And they also sometimes they sell a car after they've like used it for a while. They'll sell it to you. And yeah. Like I said, they're a global company. They have roughly 69,000 employees. They've had over $6 billion in sales. They just acquired a van pooling service, and they recently just released their 5-year sustainability goals, which is to eliminate paper use by 40%, reduce greenhouse emission by 10%, keep water and energy costs low, and to invest in the workforce by providing professional development.
Okay, so the trends in revenue, I decided to do visuals instead, so I basically took the graphs off Mergent Intellect, but it just shows how over time, in I think the span of 3 years, the money that they've taken in is exponential. It's just really a big difference, and I put a little visual up as well. And obviously the revenue has been increasing annually. And so the inputs, there's the people, which would be the employees that work towards providing these services, the time that's dedicated by the workers, and the energy that they put in. Information, so like the data in the computers and the statistics, and then the raw materials such as the cars, the equipment and tools that they use to fix the cars, and like the water they use to wash them, and gas. And then potential risks they face. Obviously, for any business, there's always the risk of new competition entering the industry. And for this particular business, there's the potential risk of damage or loss of cars. So like, if customers were to get in a crash, they'd have to pay to make up that. And then change in economy, so just if the market kind of crashes, then their business will reduce.
So to conclude about enterprise, they're very successful as they're continuing to trend upwards in the coming years. Once again, sales are trending upwards. Obviously, as Casey mentioned, competition is always a problem at any company. You know, with Enterprise and Alamo and all those other companies, it's just been a very competitive market, and they continue their loyal service to customers.
And then just a works site